Hello everyone, welcome to Harsha Lectures. In this lecture, I am going to explain you about jump game. So here coming to question, given an array of non-negative integers nums, you are initially positioned at the first index of the array. Each element in the array represents your maximum jump length at that position. Determine if you are able to reach the last index. So here in this example 1, they given nums equal to 2, 3, 1, 1, 4. So here the output is true. What is the explanation they given? We will see now. Jump one step from index 0 to 1, then 3 steps to the last index. So by taking only 2 steps, they are reaching to the last index. So if they are able to reach to the last index, then we need to show true. Here they given in example 2, 3, 2, 1, 0, 4. They show an output false. Why? What is the explanation they given? Now I will see. You will always arrive at index 3 no matter what. Its maximum jump length is 0, which makes it impossible to reach the last index. So here the length is, so here they given its maximum jump length is 0, so it is not it is impossible to reach the last index. In that cases, we need to return false. So what is the logic we need to implement here to find out whether it is true or false? Now I will explain clearly. So first we need to take one variable. Int reached. For this variable I am initializing the value 0, and here if int I equal to 0, I less than nums.length and pre-increment I. In this I will compare if I is greater than reached, then return false. And reached equal to math.max of, here I am giving reached and I plus nums of I. In this case, here I will return true in this return statement. So here I took the variable reached equal to 0. Now in this for loop, I am just traverse from 0 position to end of the list. Now I will compare. If that I is greater than reached, then it will return false statement. If it is not greater than reached, then in this reached we just get the value, max value from reached, and what are the elements which are traversed from first to last, means what is the maximum element that we can store in this reached. So if it is not greater than reached, if it is, then in that case, we need to give the return statement true. So by implementing this logic, we can able to find whether it is reaching to the last index or not. Suppose in this case, if they given 2, 3, 1, 1, 4, jump one step from index 0 to 1, then 3 steps to the last index. So by implementing this logic, we can able to find whether it is true statement or false statement. Okay, now I will run this code. We'll check any errors are there or not. Accepted. Now I will submit this code. Yeah, success. So if you have any queries, you can mention your doubts in commentary section. This is the logic for this jump game. And I discussed another video also about jump game too. So if you're not able to understand this problem, you can listen this video twice. And if you have any queries, you can mention your doubts in commentary section. Please do like and subscribe for more videos. And don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you.